Here at Formula Honda, we have a Drive Shield certified 2017 Honda Accord Sport. Here's a quick look at the outside of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has power mirrors, locks, and windows with an automatic driver's side window. Also has power seating and lumbar support, leather trim on the seating, a sunroof up top, and seats 5 passengers with 2 seats in the front and 3 seats in the back. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. It has a side view camera as well as a rear view camera. It has 3 different viewing modes. There's a wide view, normal view, and top-down view. This vehicle also has FM and AM radio, a CD player, USB inputs, Bluetooth audio, dual climate control, heated seating, and many more great features.